Alright guys, what is up? It is Zach here from the Storm Garage, and today Danny and I are going to head down to Milwaukee to Wiscoat Refinishing to pick out my sweet powder coated subframe, control arms, strut tower bar, and some other little odds and ends parts. So we're going to go ahead and vlog our adventure on the way there and getting the parts and getting some food. So we will see you guys there. Alright, so now we are going to eat some Jimmy John's before we're going to see Nick. So we got some beautiful JJBLT and some, I'm not exactly sure what that is.
It's a ham! What the heck? You don't know what it is.
Ham Sammy. So we're going to go ahead and mow down on these and then get back on the road again. There you go. Heck yeah. We went ahead and made our way on home. So I think that's it for today's little vlog episode and everything. In the next part, we're going to go ahead and take the subframe and everything else that we have back here and go ahead and put it on the car. So we'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.
Thank you.